While everyone thought the sedan market was dead and SUVs took over the world, Hyundai just dropped an absolute nuke on the automotive industry. The all-new 8th generation 2027 Hyundai Elantra has officially made its world premiere at the Busan Mobility Show. And I promise you one thing, forget everything you know about the Elantra. Hyundai completely threw away the confusing origami creases of the past and replaced them with a cyberpunk monster that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Is this radical transformation enough to dethrone the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla? Or did Hyundai go way too far this time? Let's unlock the official premiere files of the 2027 Elantra. The exterior design change is nothing short of breathtaking. Hyundai calls this new design philosophy the art of steel. The front fascia is heavily overhauled with a hyper-low, aggressive jawline and ultra-thin, seamless LED light bars. But the real shockwave is the side profile. The car has grown. It's 55 millimeters longer and 30 millimeters wider. Most importantly, it features genuine factory-molded overfenders with real volume you can actually feel with your hand. So here's my first question for you. Do you think a practical compact sedan should look this muscular and modified right from the factory? Or do you prefer clean simplicity? Let me know below, because the rear hides even crazier details. Step inside and any budget car feeling is completely erased. The cabin adopts a heavily digitalized layout inspired by the luxury Palisade SUV. Top trims now feature a massive 17-inch central touchscreen running the brand new Plios Connect system. Meanwhile, the digital driver's display has shrunk to a slim 9.9-inch bar placed way forward near the base of the windshield. The gear selector is moved behind the steering wheel, opening up a massive storage area with dual wireless charging. This is now a fully software-defined vehicle packed with Glio AI, a generative AI assistant that controls climate and navigation through natural conversation. Plus, a new Stay mode allows you to run the AC and screens directly off the battery without turning on the engine, just like an EV. Under the hood, the base 147 horsepower 2.0-liter engine remains for entry trims. However, the real star is the updated 1.6-liter dual-motor hybrid pushing 155 horsepower. It comes with smart regenerative braking 3.0, taking fuel efficiency to astronomical levels. But for the core AutoVision audience, I saved the absolute best for last, the Elantra N. At the launch, Hyundai's design boss, Sang-Yup Lee, dropped a massive bomb, confirming that behind closed doors, they are already building the widest, sportiest Elantra N yet. Insider leaks suggest it will ditch the current 2.0-liter engine for a massive 2.5-liter turbocharged motor from the Genesis lineup, pumping out well over 300 horsepower. Do you think a 2.5-liter Elantra N can officially wipe out the Honda Civic Type R? The 2027 Hyundai Elantra proves that the sedan era is far from over. It is bigger, smarter, and gradually hunting down the competition. Hyundai just took a massive gamble on high-tech AI and supercar bodywork for an affordable daily driver. Did they just design a masterpiece? Or is it too sci-fi for the average buyer? The comment section is about to explode, so drop your vote below. Smash that subscribe button to stay ahead of the automotive curve with AutoVision, and I'll see you in the next one.